Rolling. We don't know what it's pointing at, but we're rolling. Switch on. Contact. I got about 2 hours sleep last night. I'm getting my days and nights mixed up. I'm getting really hard pressed to get a good night's rest. For two nights in a row I slept really well. And then last night when I need to have a clear head for this morning. There we go. I knew it'd fit on there. I gotta check the controls. Let's just do it here. That's all right. Okay, up is good. Left, right is good. Left is good. And left is good there. Okay, I'm gonna wind it up a little bit. Be sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I had one prior to this. I got all set up and I had a daggum rudder backwards on it. I'd try to do things. It wouldn't work. I couldn't. That wasn't the matter with it. And finally, on my driving it back, it finally occurred to me the rudder was backwards.
That's what started out bad for Art yesterday when he put his plane out on the runway and he went to accelerate and the motor was running backwards.
Oh man, yeah.
And he didn't remember to just change two of the wires to make it run the other way.
Oh,
he was
man.
trying to reverse it using the throttle reverse.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, hang on.
Here we go.
Needs quite a lot of right in it. A lot of right. Whoa! What happened?
I have a hard time adjusting while I'm flying, doing the trick.
Lefts and rights not so bad, but I have a hard time reaching up and down.
I'm not going to go out there with you.
That's okay. Ever since I almost fainted out in the high weeds. It should have gone down soft. I don't think so. We're going to, thing of it is, it's kind of hard to line up things and make adjustments by yourself. I'm going to let you help me. If you look at this from this side, you can see this aileron's way up.
Yep.
That's what's pulling it left. Whew. Whew. Oh, I'm short-winded. My, oh, before I had my bypass surgery, I'd have fainted by the time I got out there. I went along thinking I'm going to turn the battery out. Save the battery. Disconnect it anyway.
Now just calm down.
Although I might leave it on. I'll leave it on to keep tension on the servos. Now, that one, just hold that up for me like that.
Okay.
That one doesn't look all that bad. Now rotate it around. And that one